Welcome back, Martian. This is Krishna, and today we will start how to download VS Code for Python. So let's go to Chrome and search for Visual Studio Code. Hit enter. You will get the very first link. After that, you will get download. Click here on download. My PC OS is Windows 11. I will go with this 64-bit because my PC is 64-bit version. So you guys have to care about according to your PC configuration. If you are going for Debian, you can go with Debian, Ubuntu, Red Hat, Fedora. So here is the setup for Mac. You can go and download for Mac. So my PC configuration is Windows 11 64-bit. So I will go with this option 64-bit. Click on this. Once I'll click on this, I'll see here the installation process. I'll get the setup. Once it will complete, I will click on this and my installation process will start. So we are waiting to download. And because this is a Windows setup, there is .exe extension available over there. So click on this. Once I will click, I will get a setup, a window on my screen. I have to read this. Means if you want to read this agreement, you can read this. Else simply click on I accept the agreement, because without accepting the agreement, you cannot download VS Code. Click on next. This is the most suitable path taken by VS Code, so don't worry. Click on next. Visual Studio Code. Click on next, and please check all these boxes. These are mandatory. Next, and installation. We will wait until the bar will filled up by green color. Okay, asking me to launch. Finish. It will start. Now here I already have some files. I'm just closing it. Suppose I want to run Python code. So here we have some option, open folder. If you already have some folder, you can choose from here. For example, let's say I have a folder here on the desktop. I'm creating a dummy folder, new folder. So this is on desktop. What will I do? I will simply click on this, or I will go to VS Code, open folder. I will choose the path. From desktop, I just created a new folder and select this folder. Once I will select this folder, I'll get this interface and my new folder name. Suppose I want to create a Python file. So from here, I can create another new folder and file. So I want to create Python file. So I will click here and mention my Python file name. The first.py I will mention. And yeah, this is a Python file. This is Python hologram, which I can see. So I am writing something here. 1 second. So here is my file first.py. I want to run my first Python code. So I will mention print hello world. Let's see what happens. I want to run. So I have to click here and I'm not getting any option to run this code. So what will I do? I will go here, extension section. I will install Python setup. So I can simply search here for Python. It is basically provide this VS Code basically provide every kind of extension you can code C, C++, Java, Python, everything over here. So you only need to download the package. So you simply search here for the setup. Suppose I am going to install Python. So I searched for Python. If you want to install for Java, you have to say here Java, and you will get a setup all in all. So C for C, you will get C, C++. So you simply have to download. So I'm teaching this tutorial fully on Java. So I'm basically going to download Java, download Python. So I have to download the very first extension. I clicked on this. I have to click on install. Wait for it. Once the installation will done, the icon will change. Waiting for this. Yes, you have to take care about your internet connectivity because without internet connectivity, it is not going to happen. So take care about your internet. I'm right now connected with my Wi-Fi. Okay, as I told you, the icon has changed. So now I can see disable, uninstall. So that means my Python setup has been installed now. I will simply go to file, first.py, and I can see here a button, a play button. I will click on this. It is asking me to select a Python interpreter. I will click on select, and here I'm getting this 3.11.164 bit. I will simply click on this and again click run Python file. On the console, I can see hello world. So this way, you guys can also download VS Code for Python, and this is the best platform where we can do everything. For example, if you are looking for web development using Python, you can do web development here. If you're looking for uh, data science kind of experience here, you can also do that. So it will provide you every kind of extension, whatever you require. You simply have to go to extension section and you have to search for your package. And once the package will appear, you simply have to click on install and it will install and attached here. So no need to worry. It is very easy. You only have to be familiar with this. So it will take hardly 1 to 2 days to get familiar with this. Okay, guys, hope you like this video. Please hit a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching.